This is so futuristic.
Yeah, these robots are pretty good dancers. Probably better than me.
I would be lying if I say otherwise.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ash.
And I'm Jake. And today, let's make a ClickBot that can walk.
Sounds intriguing. So how we can start?
I think we can look at how real animals walk for enlightenment. What do you think?
So let's say a best walker in the world.
Who's the best walker? Well, maybe a cheetah. Cheetah's the best runner in the world.
Sounds good.
Let's look at a cheetah. Wow, they're so fast.
Furious.
Fast and furious.
Jake, let's build a cheetah.
That's a good idea, but I think we need to learn to walk before we can run. What's something simpler that we can do?
Agrees. A simple walker, let's say a corgi.
A corgi?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can do that.
Okay. Look at that corgi. It moves really slow and seems he only have one joint on the leg.
Yeah, so that's easy. We can make the one joint. So here's the joint. Here's the smart leg. Put it on like that. And it moves just like the leg.
I think it'll work.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yep.
Okay, let's program it. Teach it how to walk.
Let's do it.
So create your first motion, demo motion.
Okay, so first step, the corgi lifts up its front left leg and also the rear right leg. That's movement 1.
Added.
Okay, movement 2 is the corgi lays down its front leg.
Added.
Okay, very important. Movement 3, the corgi put back its all of the legs and now lifts up its front right leg and also the rear left leg a little bit. That's movement 3.
Added.
Okay, last movement, lay down the front leg again.
Added.
Okay, I think we're done.
Finished?
Yep. Let's try it out.
Let's test it. That's it?
I don't think so. We can always use the combo motion to make it move more steps. Just like that. Select all movements and click OK. That's one combo. We can copy it as how many times as we want. Let's say 4 is enough.
Let's do more. Maybe
Okay.
double it. 8.
Double it. 8. Okay, cool. 7, 8. Okay,
Now let's test it.
sure.
Look at that! That's much better. That's pretty cute, like a real corgi.
Right, right. And I think I still can work something more in details to make the movement more smooth.
Okay, Jake, so instead of only improve the details, I also create a lot more movement. Want to check it out?
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay, so see how smooth it is now.
Pretty good.
Yep, now look at the movement. Exciting! Hey! And my favorite, P.
Just like a real dog.
Yep. And scratch the head. Look
Hey,
at that.
There's our corgi.
Yep, looks real nice now. Huh? And here's something good. Check it out.
Baby steps.
Like it?
This is awesome. I think we're ready. Shall we
Okay.
make it more complicated?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. See, we added one more joint to each leg. Here, 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 here. And now the extra joint gives it an extra degree of freedom.
Uh-huh.
So before, our corgi just walked like this. But now with the extra joint, he can walk much more smoothly like that.
Ah, like before the corgi only have a simple movement and now it's much more flexible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we test it out?
Yep. Let's do
Let's
this.
give it a go.
All the movement I have made. Look, walking.
This is great. I don't think it's a cheetah though. I think we made a spider.
I agree.
It's still pretty cool.
Spider. Attack.
Wow.
Like stretching the legs. Stretch up. Wow. Like it?
Yeah, the spider is awesome. Let's make some other designs.
Okay.
Jake, so the future isn't that far away, is it?
No, I think as long as you have the eye for it, we can build anything. So if you have any good ideas, you can upload it to the community and share it with everyone else.
So until next time, bye bye.